Hello everyone, Greta here from Plann. Guess what? It's time to revolutionize your strategy for 2023. Let's get into it. Now, the best marketing strategies don't have to be complicated. In fact, it's better to start simple and stay consistent. That's why I'm really excited to introduce you to the 5 must-have items, only 5, that you need to introduce to your marketing strategy in 2023. The first thing you have to do is start with a social media audit. The best way to understand your marketing strategy and to see what's working for you is to audit your socials. You can also use this time to update things such as bios, profile photos, and even story highlights. This is also a great time to optimize your profile. So adding things like automated DM replies or a frequently asked questions section is a great thing to do to make sure your socials are ready for 2023. My next tip is content batching. This is something that I personally do and love as a social media manager. Dedicate 1 day a week to creating content. While it seems like a huge chunk of time to take out of your entire day, it's actually going to save you a lot of time in the long run. This is dedicated time where you can get creative and know exactly what to shoot and what content to create for the week ahead. Number 3 is getting comfortable with video, because video is here to stay. With video, you can directly connect with your target audience, and it gives you an advantage over brands who are still on the text-only bandwagon. You'll be able to share your message on any social media platform, as pretty much all of them have been optimized to prioritize video, and you'll be able to reach new audiences all over the world. And lastly, prioritize community, connection, and engagement. On social media, the most effective marketing strategies are those that prioritize community building. It should always be your top goal to connect with your audience. The more you connect with your audience, the more they're going to want to follow along with what you're doing, make purchases from your small business, and just be on your side as a cheerleader. Now, we do have one more tip for you, but it is at our blog. We have an entire dedicated blog to this topic where we go a lot more in depth. So definitely go check it out. It's at the link in bio. And I'll see you next time. Happy planning, everyone.